guys, Carlo here. Welcome to my watch vlog. This is my YouTube channel dedicated to my ongoing beginner's journey in the world of watches and horology. And for today's episode, super excited. This is technically my fourth Rolex, but I immediately sold the first two, which was the Submariner and a black dial. I think it was like a 39 or 40 mil Explorer II. The current Rolex that I have that I've been really enjoying has been the Deepsea Sea-Dweller 44 mil, super nice on wrist. I really love that watch. This one I ended up buying because I got it for a great deal. Got it from the same person that I bought my JLC from. If you guys weren't able to see my unboxing of the JLC Reverso, I will link it somewhere up here. But anyway, let's get to it. This is my unboxing of my new Rolex Explorer Polar. I think it's like a 2003 model, but it looks really nice. Let's go. Now, before we get to this watch, I just want to share something. So the guy that I bought the watch from, he brought with him his current Grail watch, which is a Joker. I think like Constantine. I don't know exactly. I can't pronounce the brand exactly. But man, that watch is crazy. It literally had the face of like Joker or a clown, and the straps were in violet. And the mouth was just, oh man, it was such an insane watch. It's definitely an attention-grabbing, conversation starter, super unique watch. And apparently it sells for over ₱1 million. So wow, mind blown. But anyway, so let's get to the unboxing. So as you guys can see, comes in this old Rolex Oyster box. If you pop it open, you have that old like leather green Rolex box, actually wood inside. If you pop it open, there's no longer, well, a watch inside because I actually have it on my watch stand. But just so you guys know what the box looks like, what the packaging looks like. So here we have it. This is my new, well, it's technically secondhand. This is my Rolex Explorer Polar. And man, oh man, this one is just, whew, a stunning piece. By the way, wristwatch check of the day. I am wearing my Oris Caliber 400 Aquis. I did an unboxing of this. I will link it down below just in case you guys haven't seen my vlog of this particular watch. Now let's get to the Rolex. So why this one? Why this particular Explorer? Well, there are like 3 reasons why I bought this watch. Again, this is not a review, it's more of an unboxing and a reason why I bought it. The first reason is that I really wanted a white dial, white face Rolex. Primarily because my Deepsea Sea-Dweller is already in black, and I didn't see the need of like buying a black Submariner or a black Explorer. I really wanted the white face Rolex because it's fun, it's you know, it's more casual. It actually goes with a lot of the apparel that I usually wear. It's just like a shirt that has like white print, jeans, and nice white shoes. So I wanted the white dial Rolex, and this one was my actually second on my list because the first one that I wanted was the 42 mil Explorer II, which is like the newer model. But unfortunately, a lot of the people selling that particular piece have been selling it for really high price, around 500,000, 480,000, 470,000. The cheapest one I saw was like 420, 450. And I saw a good deal with this one. And it's slightly smaller, it's 40 mil. But at the same time, when I saw it, it just looks so much better with the red GMT hand than the other Polar that I saw. So, wala na, patay. I ended up buying it. So and again, I got it for a good price from a reputable seller who I already bought my JLC Reverso from. So, to make a long story short, I ended up like buying it. So, that's the first reason. I wanted a casual, white-faced Rolex watch. Now, the second reason why I ended up buying this piece is when I saw pictures of it on the internet, my imagination just went crazy with all the different strap combinations that I could do with it. I'm not sure if it's because of the white dial, wherein the contrast would make it look much better. I'm imagining like a brown leather strap, maybe a blue strap. I mean, there's just so many things you can do with this particular watch face. So I am going to probably pick up a few straps in the coming months and then interchange it with the steel bracelet that I have over here just to get more mileage and wear time from this particular watch. And thirdly, I really wanted like a thinner Rolex because my Deepsea Sea-Dweller, in case you guys haven't seen one yet, is just thick AF. It's massive. You cannot not see it. And when you're wearing it, you feel that you're wearing it. It is heavy, it's clunky, and it's just big. It's really big. And I wanted like a slimmer, you know, Rolex that's lighter on my wrist. And this one was really the piece that, you know, came to mind, and I just wanted to add it to my collection. So there you have it. Those are the 3 reasons why I ended up picking this piece up. I haven't done like, you know, proper wear time for it, so I can't give you guys like a review yet, but I just wanted to share this unboxing experience with you all to kick off the new year. By the way, just in case this is your first time watching me, I do have a main channel which is all about sneakers and technology and life in general. That one has over 730,000 subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed to that channel yet, hop on over. The link can be found down below and give it a subscribe. The great thing is I'm actually doing a bunch of giveaways on that channel. I'm giving away a 50,000 peso, $1,000 laptop, giving away gift certificates to sneaker stores here in the Philippines. So if you haven't subscribed to that channel, if you haven't seen the giveaways, if you haven't joined the raffles, please do check it out. The link can be found down below. With that said, that actually wraps up this quick unboxing vlog of the day. I'll be doing more unboxings in the coming weeks ahead, so watch out. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and let me know what you guys think of the watch in the comment section down below. With that said, this is Carlo signing out as usual. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.